Alright, these are the elevators here in the Bluegreen Vacations Carolina Grande Resort here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This is at the hotel I'm staying at for a couple days. Got some ThyssenKrupp elevators to ride. It's got the replaced fixtures. It looks like matte to me, but it doesn't look like it. I don't know what, I have no idea what that line is, but it used to be traditional. Older ones. Let's go to 20. Here we go. Here, 20. Someone called the elevator. 1. Let's get a cab view right now. We might stop on the way down. Let's do it right now. These are nice cabs. Indicator. 4 more traditional buttons. These look like generic buttons, I think. I wonder if those are C's. 3,500 capacity, 88 phones right there. Stopping at 10. Going down? Which floor do you guys like? 1. 4. Any other floors? Oh, good. Yep.
Yeah, he put them in my purse when we were in the stores. I'll take it right to my name.
4th floor, anyone?
Thank you.
Alright. Let's go. Yep. Alright, we're gonna stand in the back. We're gonna get off here and get a view. And we might get the other elevator. Let's watch this elevator go. There it goes. Alright, let's go get a view. Here's a view of the South Carolina at this time from the 20th floor. View of King Street, I think. And over here is a view of downtown. The window is open right now. Get a good view of the city. This thing here where I'm pointing, if I can reach it. Right there, that's this Ferris wheel. It's a pretty good ride for anyone that's visiting Myrtle Beach. There's the beach down there. Alrighty. We're gonna go back down now. We're gonna ride the other elevator. I'm gonna sit down here for a second. Overall, I gotta say, these are nice elevators. They run pretty well for ThyssenKrupp. Interesting, it's got those generic button replacement, whatever, or it could be C's, I think. I didn't know those buttons are C's. I have no idea what those buttons are, but they did replace older traditional buttons, which I think they were pretty worn out, so that's why they had to replace them. These are pretty busy at this time, so might not get a good video this time, but just so you guys know, there will be a morning take on these before I go, because I'm leaving tomorrow. So hope you guys are enjoying my Myrtle Beach content so far. I've filmed some pretty good elevators in this trip, so hope you guys like them. Even some epic ones too. I'm not gonna go further into that in the elevator video. As you can see, I am sitting on the bench right now because I don't want to stand up so much. Been walking all day today. Kind of exhausted. Come on, I really want to get this other elevator before I go back to my room. If this elevator comes, we can try to transfer at the lobby. We can go back down and transfer at the lobby. Oh, one of the elevators here. It better be this one, I think. I think it's this one. Oh, it's this one again. We'll just transfer at the lobby. One good look at this cab. All right. And we're stopping at 9. Going down? Yep. Which four do you like? 4. Alrighty. Here you go. Have a great night.
Thank you. I appreciate you as well.
Thanks. You going down? Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Here's the inspection certificate. I have not shown this one thing yet. Alright, I believe this over is getting cold, so we're gonna let this one go. Got some more getting on.
Thank you.
Yep,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Oh, shoot. Alright, we're gonna get the other elevator now. There it goes. Now we're gonna ride this elevator. Oh, I went up. Gonna be waiting for a little bit. Look at that, they're both elevator racing. That one stopped at 14, that one's still going up. Now it stopped at 17. So it looks like this one is 3 floors ahead from this one. Pretty funny. Security, Mr. Security is watching there. I believe this one's coming down now. Yes, these are pretty busy at this time. So I am gonna get a morning take of these before I head out. I'm just gonna call off the video for now until this one comes down. Alrighty, here we go. Got the other elevator. Oh, are you going up? Alright.
Where you go? Oh, wait.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go get a view. Oh, wow. Are you going up?
Yeah,
Alrighty. Which one do you like, sir?
11?
11. Alrighty.
I don't know why they don't spin on both ends here.
You have to struggle with it.
Yes, because whichever way you get an elevator, it's tougher if you don't have it the right
That's
way.
exactly right. You have to manhandle it.
Yes.
Woo, wait.
That's me.
There you go.
Have a good night.
You as well.
Wish they had an air in these elevators.
Yeah, these are definitely hot.
Man. I just got out of the dang shower. We just got back from the beach. I'm sweating again.
Yeah, I just got out of the pool. So.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Have a good one, man.
Me too. I'm gonna take one more ride in the elevator after. Plantains are up there. Yeah, these things are definitely hot in here. It's definitely hot in here. Wish they had some AC or something like that. That'd be great. That would be great. Going down?
Yeah, we're going down.
Which floor?
Lobby.
Lobby? Alrighty. Really? These things are definitely busy. You going down? No. Anyone coming down?
No, we're good.
All right.
It's the sickest elevator ride 2023.
Some better ones out there too, actually. All right, there you guys go. Have a great night. All right. All right, we're gonna end down at. Let's just go to lobby. These are pretty busy at the moment, so I'm getting another ticket of these. This is what I'm planning to do. Honestly, these are kind of a bit slow for 20 floors. And the wait time is not that good, to be honest with you. This is why these can get pretty busy. Going down? Which floor?
Just one.
Just one? Alrighty. Going down? Down.
Down.
We're down. Going back to 4?
Yes.
Alrighty.
Okay, thanks. Now, are you elevator hopping?
Yeah. No, I'm just an over enthusiast. I like to film overs as a hobby.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're
Excuse
fine.
me.
You're fine.
So we don't have to do this tomorrow.
Smart.
Thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
So you going back up?
Have a good night.
Thank you too. Ring the bell. Alrighty, let's watch the door close. There it goes. Oh, are you kidding me? Did you guys just see that? The door just froze for a second and just went back closing. That is strange. I think that this thing is just having a door disease. That's all it is probably. Alright, that'll be it.